Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find Facebook web address. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on top left profile, scroll down. Okay, click on three dot option, scroll down, then copy profile link, that's all. Then back, click on notes. Okay, then paste your web address, profile link. Okay, then done. Then check, click on this link, then back profile. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.